Beneath the luxury lies performance. Powered by Cadillac's next-generation V8 hybrid system, this motorhome is as commanding as it is efficient. It roars to life with the unmistakable sound of raw power, yet offers an electrified drive mode for silent, smooth cruising. Cadillac's magnetic ride control and advanced suspension ensure that every road, whether highway or mountain pass, feels like a glide. Combined with autonomous driving assistance, the motorhome doesn't just move, it flows, adapting intelligently to the journey ahead. Tech lovers will be thrilled. From a fully integrated AI concierge that manages your itinerary, weather updates, and vehicle diagnostics, to holographic displays that project maps and entertainment, the Cadillac motorhome blends innovation with convenience. Off-grid capability is just as impressive, thanks to solar panel integration, battery banks, and satellite connectivity that keeps you online anywhere on Earth. And yet, the 2026 Cadillac motorhome is not only about travel, it's about lifestyle. It's about arriving at your destination not just comfortably, but in unforgettable style. Imagine pulling up to a lakeside retreat, a private beach, or even a bustling city center, stepping out of a motorhome that carries the Cadillac emblem, instantly commanding respect, admiration, and awe. This is more than a camper. It's the Cadillac experience brought to life on wheels. It's the freedom to explore without compromise, the power to move wherever the horizon calls, and the elegance to ensure that every moment of the journey feels extraordinary. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Camper is not just for travelers, it's for dreamers who demand the very best from the open road. When it's time to rest, the bedroom feels like a 5-star suite on wheels. A queen-sized memory foam bed, wrapped in premium textiles, offers the kind of sleep you'd expect from a luxury hotel. Soft lighting, climate control, and whisper-quiet sound insulation ensure nights are as tranquil as the scenery outside. The spa-inspired bathroom features rainfall shower technology, eco-friendly water recycling, and smart mirrors that provide health updates and trip info as you prepare for the day ahead. Powering this rolling haven is Volvo's advanced hybrid system. A robust petrol engine works hand-in-hand with high-capacity electric motors, delivering not just raw power but also incredible efficiency. Silent electric cruising through national parks, paired with the strength of combustion power for long journeys, creates the perfect balance. Range anxiety disappears, replaced with the freedom to go further, cleaner, and smarter. Technology flows through every corner of the camper. Volvo's AI assistant manages navigation, entertainment, and even interior settings based on your preferences. A holographic dashboard displays maps, safety alerts, and trip stats with unmatched clarity. Advanced driver assist features, from adaptive cruise to lane guidance and collision avoidance, ensure that safety, Volvo's trademark, is never compromised. Yet the real beauty of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome lies in how it makes you feel. Every mile is infused with calm, every stop becomes a luxurious retreat, and every destination feels like home before you've even unpacked. It's not just about the journey or the destination, it's about the seamless way this motorhome brings them together, wrapped in the elegance of Volvo's craftsmanship. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome Camper isn't just redefining RV living, it's elevating it to an art form. A symbol of safety, innovation, and Scandinavian luxury, this machine doesn't just take you places, it transforms the way you experience the world.